The world has rolled beyond the typical idea of transportation and stepped into an era where traveling is all about comfort and luxury. To catch up with the trend, Hummer's back with its beast. Welcome to TechSport. First marketed in 1992, Hummer is an automotive brand of trucks and SUVs that was originally built for military use. Being an enormous, heavy gas guzzler and way too impractical for normal use, it went through a few updates and improvements to make it slightly less outrageous. Anyhow, it was eventually discontinued in 2010. Now the Hummer is going to make a huge comeback as a sub-brand of General Motors truck company, GMC, and that has been working on an EV super truck and is finally unveiled in its ultimate avatar. Featuring advanced technology, extraordinary power output, and innovative features, including four-wheel steering, the GMC EV SUV is going to be an all-electric transformation of one of the most iconic off-road vehicles of the last century. The SUV version is built on the Hummer EV pickup truck and inferred by the superscript of the model names. Powered by multiple electric motors, the EV2 and EV2X having a dual motor setup, producing an approximate of 625 horsepower and what GM is claiming to be 7,400 pound-feet of torque. Both Edition 1 and EV3X include a total of 3 motors, one up front and 2 out back, having a maximum torque ratings varying from 1,000 to 1,100 pound-feet. The dynamic Hummer EV SUV also has an asserted 0 to 60 miles per hour time of roughly 3.5 seconds, which is extremely fast for a machine this huge and heavy. The SUV has a shorter wheelbase of 126.7 inches, as compared to the pickup truck having a 135.6 wheelbase. GMC is also introducing a full-size spare tire ascending to the rear gate. In addition to that, there's an optional extreme off-road package that brings special hardware and includes 18-inch wheel on 35-inch all-terrain tires, supplementary underbody protection, improved axles with heavy-duty elements. With the Hummer lettering between the headlights, which feature unique animations when switching on, turning off, and while charging, its new illuminated grille design also seems to be incited by its predecessor. The four-wheel steering with the rear wheels are made to turn up to 10 degrees in either direction. With the rear wheels turned in the same direction as the front ones, it can run diagonally, featuring crab walk. When the front and rear wheels are turned in opposite directions, it enables the Hummer to steer through packed spaces by decreasing the turning radius. Hummer draws benefits from GMC's new Ultium battery technology, which is significantly more eco-friendly than the old models. While the basic EV2 model brings a 400-watt electrical system, it also provides the 800-volt system that arrives standard on every other trim. While GM has already said that the Hummer EV will have a huge 200 kWh battery pack, the official size or its usable capacity is still unclear. The electrified SUV has an alleged driving range of over 300 miles along with fast charging speeds up to 300 kW. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Interior of the Hummer is an absolute treat to the eyes. The living sci-fi is visually identical to its pickup truck counterpart, with loads of boxy design elements and a mix of high-tech content. Its three-dimensional dashboard shows off both vertical and horizontal air vents and a pair of large displays. The specialty of the Hummer is its hard buttons and physical switchgear, including a thick T-shaped shifter and a rotary drive mode selector on the center console. The materials also look very well off, with leather stitched surfaces and unique bronze accents. Another illustrative element of the Hummer's cabin is its removable roof panels called the Infinity Roof. The system lets users to lift off the 4 transparent sky panels and the I-bar above the front seat passengers, providing an open-air experience. The Hummer's high-performance electric technology is going to be rounded off by a 12.3-inch digital driver's display and a floating 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display on the center console, with extensive connectivity options. As with most GMC models, preferable content such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspots is expected to come. Alongside these available upgrades to include a powerful Bose stereo, built-in navigation, a rear seat infotainment system, and wireless charging are also desirable. That's not all. The Hummer EV will get loads of advanced driver assist systems alongside a feature called Super Cruise, which enables hands-free driving on roads where tech is lawfully allowed. It can also alter lanes without steering input from the driver. Then comes a bunch of cameras with a feature called Ultravision, which offers 17 views. These high-quality cameras extend a surround view angle to make it easier to navigate off-road terrains and tight spaces. The EV version of the Hummer has immense capabilities to survive tough conditions. Its suspension can put up the ride height as much as 6 inches in extract mode, while also promoting continuous damping adaptive ride controls for improved driving dynamics on and off-road. The SUV comes along with 22-inch wheels, while the off-roading packages brings 18-inch wheels wrapped in 35-inch all-terrain tires. This package also adds underbody armor and essential drivetrain elements better worked out for off-roading. The Hummer EV SUV will have an enhanced version of the GM's Super Cruise that will facilitate hands-free driving while on highways. It is also expected to have a host of driver assistance technology that presently boasts many mainstream models. Crucial safety features will likely include a standard forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, and lane departure warning, and lane keep assist with standard adaptive cruise control. While GMC's Hummer SUV is paving its way into the production line, the Tesla Cybertruck is running alongside. It is a different beast entirely, looking as wacky as CEO Elon Musk is. It looks flat, it's angled, and it definitely stands out. The Hummer stands out too, for completely different reasons though. The Cybertruck's interior resumes its theme, with the shape of the seats and dash making some of the evidences from the exterior of the car. Though Motor Trend figures indicate that the horsepower of the Cybertruck could be somewhat between 690 and 800 horsepower, Tesla hasn't announced anything yet. The Tesla Cybertruck kickstarts at 250 miles to a single motor model, jumping to 300 miles if you choose to rise up to the 2-motor version, while the top-tier model with 3 motors ascends to a crazy 500 miles over a single charge. Despite the charging speed being a slower 250 kW, it is still seemingly get you from 10% to 80% in 44 minutes with Tesla's own extensive supercharging network. Tesla is the obvious winner when it comes to the pricing front. The most expensive version of the Cybertruck currently will cost about $69,900, while providing the option to downgrade to the car to avail it at $39,900. The top of the range Hummer EV Edition 1, however, costs $112,595, which will see its production beginning in early 2023 and will hit the market by 2024. At the bottom of the range is the EV2, which will cost around $80,000 but won't appear until 2023. While Hummer is going through its initial days of the EV industry, Tesla has been in the EV and battery business world for multiple years. However, now that the brand is going to have a head start, it is clearly putting that to good use, as Hummer is all set to showcase its indisputable design and incredible off-road capabilities reliably upheld in EV form. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.